Testing a Dell Precision 7560 workstation. There's no doubt that Dell Precision 7560 is the latest in its line of powerful portable workstation laptops. As a result, Precision 7560 workstations tend to include more complex visual design and architecture. There is plenty of power in the laptop for professionals. You'll enjoy a quality mid to high tier desktop experience with the Precision 7560. The low battery life and price of entry may put some off. Dell Precision 7560s are expensive no matter how you configure them. It features a 6-core Intel Core i5, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD and a 1080p screen for about $1,884, £1,785.43. A 4K display with a 15.6-inch 1080p display and an 8-core i7 processor can be had at a price of $4,079 in Australia. You can put together an Intel Xeon CPU with NVIDIA RTX A5000 graphics, 128GB and a 12TB SSD for $12,375. A similar package is available in Australia for $23,236. A full-blown UK setup costs £5,957 and offers up to 6TB of SSD. The package also includes a palm rest fingerprint reader, smart card reader, NFC reader, and SSD quick access door underneath the laptop to increase storage. A 3-year warranty is included with Pro Support Plus and on-site support. Dell Precision 7560 is bulky, weighing over 5 pounds. Even so, the laptop feels tough. There is nothing particularly notable about the laptop's aesthetic, despite its gray and black color scheme. An SD card reader, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and 2 USB-A ports are on the right side of the laptop. The other side has 2 Thunderbolt ports and a smart card slot. On the back are the mini display, HDMI, Ethernet, and AC power ports. There is an optional SSD expansion slot under the Precision 7560. Intuitively, you can see the stark 15.6 4K HDR display, which is not only bright at up to 600 nits, but has a wide color gamut of 100% Adobe RGB. All video and photo editing look great, colors pop, blacks are deep, and images are sharp. Even with only 3 brightness settings, the keyboard keys are tactile and not too springy. There is also an optional fingerprint reader that works well. Use of the touchpad is adequate with 3 click buttons and a wheel. Wave's dual integrated speakers serve their purpose, but users won't be blown away. It's best to keep headphones on hand. There's a lot to love about the Precision 7560 workstation for architecture, enterprise, IT, visual design, and Adobe Suite crowds. Adobe Suite, Photoshop and Premiere Pro lend similar results. Photos with layers and long videos are fast to export. This laptop can also do some gaming, but it shouldn't be the reason you pick it up. Precision 7560 isn't necessarily meant to deliver full portability, so its battery life is comparable to both Gigabyte Aero 17 and Razer Blade 15. It's still far from the battery life of the better optimized MacBook Pro. In the PC Mark 10 battery life test, the laptop lasts for about 6.5 hours. The video loop test only lasted about 5.5 hours. Also, charging takes a couple of hours to reach 100%. The Dell Power Manager software tool helps extend battery life. Battery health and current battery life can also be tracked. The app also provides options for extending battery life. The Dell Precision 7560 offers a wide range of software options. Among other benefits, Dell Optimizer offers system analytics, along with audio, application, network, and power optimizations. Users can also lock their computers using proximity sensors when walking away. The built-in camera works with facial recognition. Also, video and photo editors can adjust display settings with Dell Premiere.